इसी का नाम है शोभा डे से बातें हो रही हैं। शोभा, आपके हाथ पे एक टैटू बना हुआ है ना? तो ये क्या है और इसका मतलब क्या है?
मेरी 2 बेटियां हैं और वो मुझे कह रहे थे कि मॉम व्हाई डोंट यू गेट अ टैटू, और आई लाइक नई चीज़ सब, एज यू नो, सो आई पिक्ड 2 Japanese symbols. The top symbol here is a symbol for motherhood, and the one below that is more interesting. It's more complex to understand because it's the same character for feminine and for moon.
आपने जो सिंबल के पहले हिस्से का जिक्र किया, उससे जुड़ी हुई कुछ शख्सियतों को बुलाता हूँ, फिर हम बात करते हैं। आइए प्लीज। कम। हम लोग बातें कर रहे थे आपकी मम्मी से, उनके बचपन की, उनके करियर वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह। बट एट होम इज शी लाइक एन ओवर कंसर्न पैरानॉइड मदर? तुमने खाया या नहीं, तुम ठीक से सोई या नहीं?
She's more conservative than you'd imagine her to be. She's very strict, but she's very understanding. And I think if any one of us had any problem, we wouldn't hesitate to reach out to her. And I think that's very important.
Do you all read regularly what your mother writes?
Yes, everything. My newest designation is Mum's proofreader. I have a Friday job for 3 hours every Friday. So I have to key in all her articles. Then I have to make sure they go. So I'm the first one who gets to read them. And then she's anxiously saying, how is it?
I can take on anyone else, any other adversary, but their criticism gets to me the hardest, and it's the toughest for me to try and again woo them back to my way of thinking. Every single day they cut me down to size and I say, what do you think? I'm so anxiously waiting for their response, and they say, it's okay, not bad.
But not bad actually makes your day.
Sort of,
Yeah,
because
not
it's
bad.
not
Vidya
bad
Khuda ka
is
shukr hai.
huge compliment, because I very rarely get them to say it was good, it was great. But when they say that, I know it must have been really something special.
There's somebody who's very close to you also wants to give a message.
Sorry I couldn't be there for this.
Hey.
Do you remember that incident
Cool,
2
dude.
years ago when I called up pretending to be this German journalist and said, yeah, may I speak to Miss Shobha Tse? I'm speaking from Der Spiegel, yeah? And I went on with these questions, and you went
That's
running
Rana.
to Dad and excitedly told him about how the Germans wanted you. And I told you a couple of days later. Anyway, lots of love, and see you guys in December. Ciao.
Hey Mom, hope you're having fun. Sorry I couldn't be there with you, but I'll share some stories with you anyway. The one that comes to mind most vividly is the one that when I was in hospital being operated for that minor surgery, and everyone had come there to meet me, and I just come out of the operation theatre, and I was still very woozy from the operation, and I look around trying to open my eyes and looking for a familiar face, and what I see is you lying right next to me, and all the doctors and nurses are tending to you instead of me, and it's because you had passed out by seeing the sight of blood, something that I still remember to this day. So anyway, love you lots, and see you soon, and have fun.
अच्छा, आप लोग बैठे, आइए आप बैठे।
Terrified of
मैं
that.
किसी और को बुलाता हूँ। प्लीज आइए सर। When was the first time you saw Shobha, matlab in flesh and blood?
I had a party at my home, dinner, and she came with a friend of mine, and that's the first time I saw her flesh and blood.
Accident from which you still haven't recovered.
No, I think I'm still jaded.
Okay. आप भी क्या इनकी सारी चीजें पढ़ते हैं?
No, I don't.
But
No.
once they are published and
Published, I get the first copy normally.
signed.
Of course.
Yes, and then I read it.
जब आप लिखती हैं और आप माशाल्लाह बहुत लिखती हैं, इन लोगों के रिएक्शन और दिलीप साहब का रिएक्शन जो है वो आप कैसे, हाउ डू यू वेट कि भाई ये चीज़ें मुझे रखनी चाहिए, ये चीज़ें मुझे नहीं रखनी चाहिए, चाहे इन्होंने कही किसी ने कही?
No. As far as my husband and his opinion is concerned, it is supreme. So his opinion, I think, is the one I value the most.
हम कुछ तस्वीरें देखते हैं जो आप सबकी मिली जुली।